In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Google Slides, even though Google Slides doesn't have a built-in dark mode feature on the desktop. There are a couple of methods you can use to achieve this, and I'll walk you through them step by step. By the end, you'll have a dark mode experience that's easy on your eyes, whether through extensions or manual adjustments. Firstly, let's explore using browser extensions to achieve dark mode. Extensions are a quick and efficient way to change the overall appearance of your browser, including Google Slides. You can search for popular extensions like Night Eye or Dark Mode in your browser's extension store. Once you've found one that suits your needs, go ahead and click Install to add it to your browser. After installation, the next step is to open your Google Slides presentation. With your presentation open, look for the extension icon, which should be situated in your browser's toolbar. Click on this icon and enable the Dark Mode feature specifically for the Google Slides site. This will transform the interface into dark mode, making it easier on your eyes, especially during late-night work sessions. Now let's delve into manually adjusting the colors within your presentation to simulate a dark theme. This method requires a bit more hands-on work but allows you full control over the color scheme. Start by opening the Google Slides presentation you wish to edit. Next, navigate to the toolbar and click on Slide Vernchote. Then change background. Here you can choose from a variety of dark colors such as black, dark gray, or navy blue for the background. These colors provide a strong, dark base that's essential for this theme. Once your background is set, it's crucial to adjust the text colors. Select a contrasting light color, such as white or light gray, to ensure text readability against the dark background. If you want this dark theme to be consistent across all slides in your presentation, you can choose to Apply to Theme. This option sets your color adjustments as the default for all existing slides, giving a cohesive look. It's worth mentioning that while browser extensions only alter the appearance on your own screen, manual adjustments are applied directly to the presentation file. However, these manual changes won't carry over to new presentations automatically. Lastly, for those of you looking for a consistent dark theme experience across all Google apps, including Docs and Sheets, consider exploring browser-level dark mode settings or additional extensions available in the Chrome Web Store. This will provide your entire browsing experience with a uniform dark theme. By following these steps, you can create a visually soothing, dark environment for your Google Slides presentations, making it not only stylish but also practical for a variety of lighting conditions.